Hello friends, today we will talk about how we can make more profit when buying altcoins on the Binance exchange. First of all, yesterday around 2 o'clock, I placed a 4x leveraged long order on TRX. As you can see, I entered with approximately $350. The money is now $464, which means there is a profit of $90. From $350 to $90. I made a profit of about 25% in one day. Now, how did I do this and how did I decide to do it? That's where the matter is. It doesn't really matter how much money I made or what I did. What matters here is how I taught you and what I taught. So, why did I get into this and how did I make a profit? Honestly, I want to teach you how to fish. Let's get started. First of all, as you know, I will explain why I got into this. As you know, there is Dogecoin. Friends, people have been talking a lot on TikTok saying to buy Dogecoin. And Dogecoin increased by 100% yesterday. Friends. It increased by 100% in 2 days, or 1 day. Meaning if you had 100, it became 200 in Dogecoin. I looked and saw that a real bull market had come. Friends, as you can see, there is news here too. So Dogecoin went viral with these TikTok videos and really increased by 100%. Like crazy. So, for a coin with such a large market cap to increase by 100% is really difficult, but it happens. Here, let's look at Dogecoin on CoinMarketCap. Now let's examine it. It's the same. I will move on to how it will be with other coins from here. Look, I currently have TRX in my hand. Why did I buy TRX? I will talk about that too. Look, we are entering Dogecoin. Do you see this chart, friends? I mean, this chart is really an incredible chart. Look, my internet is a bit slow here, sorry for that. Let's take a look at Dogecoin's 7-day chart here. Look, you can see the pump movement here. I took the 7-day chart. It was like this on July 6th. Today is July 8th, July 9th, and you can see the price here. It went from 2,400 to 4,800, so it doubled, friends. This is on TikTok. It happened with a campaign. Should I say a campaign? One of the influencers told people to buy Dogecoin, and everyone supported it, so it increased. That's how it is. Now, why did I buy TRX? First of all, I examined the TRX chart. I mean, TRX is a coin that has seen a bull run, and during the bull run, it went from 50 satoshis to 2,000 satoshis. It was only while I had it. There was even a time before 50 satoshis. That's when I decided on TRX. Also, I mean, we don't really like the CEO of TRX. We call him a sycophant, and so on. But the guy really stands by his coin and projects. Here is Justin Sun. As you can see, when Dogecoin increased like this guy came and said that this guy has 2 to 3 coins, for example, BTT. He is working hard. He said BTT will go viral on TikTok, for instance. He supports his project. Let's say he makes price increasing moves. Should I call it support? I don't know anymore. Look, why did I buy it? I examined this guy technically. The coin is really very suitable for rising. I can say that this coin is counting down to rise. Here was a tweet from Justin Sun. Look, when Dogecoin increased, he immediately took advantage of it. We are in talks with TikTok regarding TRX. We have focused on TikTok. I mean, Tron videos will go viral on TikTok. They will be very popular. These are nice things as fundamental analysis. Besides that, Tron is really working. My aim is not to promote Tron, but to explain to you why I bought Tron. Look, yesterday the money is currently up nearly $100. I bought it at 2 o'clock yesterday from the order history, and I bought it with 4x leverage. Look, I bought it at $17.79. It's currently $19.07. The money is gradually increasing here, as you can see. So, $100 is a nice amount of 700 lira under today's conditions. But the important thing is that even if you have 10 lira, if you are a good trader and have a good strategy, 10 lira can become 20, 20 can become 40, and 40 can become 80. I mean, instead of investing a lot of money, proceed slowly and learn to increase your money gradually. Look, I entered with 4x leverage. I believed that Tron would increase, okay? After believing that, I said, there is a normal spot section and a futures section. You know, in futures, there is more leverage, more profit, and more loss. It also relates a bit to your risk perception. If I had bought from the spot, it would show a 26% profit now. You saw that, right? While this is 4x leverage, when you divide that 26% profit by 4, you know, in the spot, it's a normal purchase. I mean, at 1x when the coin increases by 10%. Your money increases by 10%, but if I enter with 4x leverage and the coin increases by 10%, I earn 40%, friends. So I took the risk to have more profit. You know, having a lot of money here is not important. What matters is that you have a good strategy. That's the point. Besides that, what should I talk to you about? I mean, according to my current view, we have entered a bull market, friends. It could be a mini bull or a small bull. It doesn't matter. We are currently in a bull market because, you know, Dogecoin increased, Ripple increased, and Bitcoin is stable right now. As you can see, earlier in the video, there was a $90 profit. Even while filming the video, it has now become $102 profit in just 2 to 3 minutes. You know, I won't complicate this further. I didn't open this position to make a small profit. Besides that, I will show you something. There is a spot section here. Excuse me for a moment. Look, for example, right now the Collar chain has increased by 50%. For example, XLEM, which is one of the pioneers of this moment, is XLEM, meaning stellar. Ripple has also increased. I mean, you see the coin market cap here, right, friends? Come here and look at the coins, see what is what, examine the increasing and decreasing ones, friends. After that, go to Twitter, enable the project news notifications on Twitter. Let me show you here. For example, it says Tron Foundation. Now let's click on this. Or Just Nissan's CEO. You come here in the phone section. This doesn't work from this thing. Okay. When you come from the phone section here, there is a part to enable notifications. Enable it from there. I mean, be informed about the project you are receiving. Friends, follow it in real time because sometimes it really happens instantly. For example, there could be a coin. It will send a notification that it has partnered with Binance. You will see it instantly before everyone else because if you enable notifications instantly, you will see it right away. You go and buy it immediately. You can earn 50% to 60%. It's not something we haven't done. Such things happen in the cryptocurrency markets. Besides that, I recommend using coinmarketcal.com as a fundamental analysis tool when selecting coins. For example, there is a quarterly coin burn. For this Binance coin, BNB, that is, there is a coin burn. The amount of coins is decreasing. For example, this is something that increases the price. When I exit this TRX, I will enter BNB. This is something that could happen. For example, why did XLM increase? One of the reasons for XLM's increase is that there was an XLM airdrop on July 15th, meaning a snapshot was taken. So those holding XLM are given this VWEWish coin. Here there is a tax halving. Why is the tax increasing? How many days has the tax been rising, friends? All of these are related to fundamental analysis. Besides that, why did the profit increase earlier? If I remember correctly, there was something about Cardano's Shelby. So, there was a coin news tracking video I recorded earlier. That is somewhat related to that. You can see it there as well. For example, right now the value of TLX is falling. So you can also preserve the profit you made here. You can open it again. Now it's easy to talk about these things while making a profit, but what will we do when we incur losses? That's important in leverage trading. So when I see a 5% drop here in red, I stop because if you don't stop, friends, your money keeps falling and falling, which puts you in trouble. For example, This coin is currently at 1922. Right, friends? So because I entered with 4x leverage, when the coin increases by 25%, my money will be $700 since I entered with $350. But when this coin drops by 25%, it corresponds to the 25% drop at the liquid price. Liquid price means the point where the money is reset to zero. So, if it falls there, your money will be reset to zero at that liquid price, but that's why I keep my leverage low. I want to talk to you about this as well. I mean, Binance Futures is really a nice platform, but for those who know how to use it. So here, for example, we can make leveraged trades with Binance Futures. Here we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. If I believe that altcoins will rise in a short time instead of buying from the normal spot market, I prefer to buy from Binance Futures, guys. Honestly, wait a second. For example, last week there was ADA. It did 7x, guys. Is it ADA or wet? For example, look at wet. Wet did 7x, guys. I mean, if you can catch it in leverage trading when it does 7x, it's really nice. By the way, in leverage trading, it's not just about making money when it goes up. If you believe a coin will drop, you go short. Here we have buy and sell. Buy, long means to buy, and sell means to sell. When you believe the coin will rise, you enter from the buy section here. And when you believe it will drop, you sell. I made a video about this. I don't want to confuse you now. For example, VET here increased crazily. I mean, it went from 8 to here. You can see here that there are different coins. For example, I would like to long Binance coin. You can also gradually short the ones that are rising a lot from a good spot. As you can see here, these coins are added to. What else should I talk to you about? I mean, I'm using cross here. Keep the leverage low. For example, I currently have $9. Let's enter a trade with $9. I think Binance coin will rise. BNB. I will now go long on BNB, meaning I will enter a position expecting it to rise. There is $9 available in this gap. This profit is gradually decreasing and increasing. I did it yesterday at noon. It hasn't even been a day. And you know, a 25% increase in money is a very nice thing. I mean, if you go to a bank in this country and deposit $350 for interest, how much do they give you? Like 17%. I don't know much because I never keep money in the bank. Look, now I'm going to enter because it's going to rise. Let me enter from here. Come on. After all, $10 is not a lot of money. I entered. Since the money is low, I want to enter with 10x, friends. Wait a minute. How will that work? Let's try. It might not work. Honestly, how much did I enter? I didn't understand. Friends, when this comes here, my order will slowly fill up, which is the thing that says filet. Exactly, my order went. Look, you currently have 2 positions. Situation is this. The situation is like this, friends. I entered with 10x leverage here. That's it. You can also see it from the order history here. So the point is, I like the combination of fundamental and technical analysis. I mean, those who only rely on technical analysis hardly ever win. You know, fundamental analysts sometimes win a bit, but those who only do technical analysis and don't understand the crypto exchange, like traditional traders who migrated from the Istanbul Stock Exchange, cannot succeed in cryptocurrency exchanges. That's why learn fundamental analysis well. Keep track of the news. As I said here, turn on the notifications. Does the coin have a community? Check it out. Join the Telegram groups and see, are there supporters of the coin? Or is there an artificial crowd? Take a look at that. You can also examine it on CoinMarketCap. There are really nice coins here. As you can see here. Take care of yourselves, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Good luck to everyone.